So after a few weeks, my kitchen vegetable garden is now ready for harvesting, and actually this is my first harvest. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I harvested, prepared, and packed my vegetables ready for freezing to be used in the future. And as you can see, my vegetables are in different stages. Some are just sprouting and others are ready for harvesting. At the back there, we can see the pumpkins. They are doing very well. Right there, we have the collard greens. They are also doing very well. And right there, we have the Swiss chard or the spinach. The corns are also doing very well. And right here, we have the tomatoes and the cilantro. And as I harvest these vegetables, I'm very much excited. This is because we do not use any pesticides or fertilizers in growing these vegetables. So after I was done harvesting the vegetables, now I'm ready for the next step. I'm going to go through them all one by one, making sure there are no foreign elements and that they are all clean and ready for the next step. These organic vegetables can have some insects that we do not need in these vegetables. This step takes the longest time, but the most important step according to me in the whole process. After that, I'm cleaning my sink very well, and then I'm going to bring my vegetables into the kitchen, and I'm going to rinse them off with water until I'm satisfied, and then we're going to proceed to the next step. And finally, I needed to slice them up to make sure that they are ready for storage. And this is how my mama showed me how to slice the vegetables. And I know we all do it in different ways, but this worked best for me. And I first started with the collard greens, and then I'm going to do the Swiss chard. And finally, I'm now bagging them for storage. And at this point, I want to request you to help me grow this channel by subscribing, then hit up the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'm now dating them. This to make sure that I know which one to use first in the future. And there we go. That is what I was able to prepare today. And the next step is to put them in the freezer. And at this point, I want to appreciate you for watching. Thank you for your likes and your comments. I really do appreciate you. And I hope you have been inspired by this video. And until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May He watch over you. And may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.